Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to sign out devices from Google. So to start, open Google and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner, then go to manage your Google account. Now on the left sidebar or left menu, go to security and sign in. Now what you need to do here is to scroll down and look for your devices. So here you can click find a lost device or you can click manage all devices. So click on that. So here you'll see every phone, tablet, and computer currently signed into your Google account. Next, choose the device you want to remove, then review its details to make sure it's the correct one. So sometimes it will ask to verify. So you need to verify if it's you. So for example, this one, open the Gmail app on Apple iPhone 15 Pro, then choose this number 84. So I'm going to do that. So once that's done, so what you need to do here is to click sign out. Then click sign out to confirm the action. So Google will sign your account out of that device remotely. So repeat these steps for any other devices you no longer use. If you don't recognize a device, sign it out immediately and change your Google password. So turning on two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection to your account. And that's how you can sign out devices from your Google account. So regularly reviewing your signing devices helps keep your account secure, especially if you've used a shared or lost device. And that's it. Thank you for watching.